Welcome back. Let's take a look at the Amazon Connect Contact Center. So Amazon Connect enables you to create an omni-channel contact center, the contact center that provides a unified experience across multiple communication channels, such as voice and chat, for example. The Amazon Connect, once you enable the experience for both voice and chat channels, right? You can same routing profile, queues, contact flows, metrics, for example, and reports for both channels. So it monitors both channels from your dashboard, can handle all customers from just one single interface. So if your customer interaction, let's say, starts with chat and goes to voice, the agent handling the voice has complete transcripts, so everything is preserved. You can create highly personalized experiences for your customers using omni-channel communications and separate the channels where needed. So for example, you can dynamically offer chat/voice contact on factors such as customer preference, estimated wait times, and agent skill. So let's now take a look at the Amazon Connect Contact Center itself, right? The Contact Center is a business division within an organization that simply manages customers' interaction. So unlike a call center, which receives requests only by telephone, the Contact Center handles inbound and outbound customer communication over multiple channels such as telephone, web, chat, email, messaging apps, right? Social media, text, fax, and other traditional mail. So the Contact Center uses various types of advanced technology to help resolve customer issues quickly, to attract customer engagements, and to capture interaction and performance of data. Contact Center are usually operated by an internal department or outsourced to a third-party provider. So the idea is, or the benefit is, that it improves customers' experiences. And customer service is, of course, a significant differentiator within your business, and your contact center is the primary interaction with your customer and your company. So through this contact center, there are several methods and ways you can ensure excellent experience. For example, customers can take advantage of the self-service capabilities provided by your contact center, such as they go to your website and they start talking to a chatbot, right? Contact center can also ensure that customers are connected to the most suitable agent, right? In addition, the contact center supports multiple types of communications. Customers can interact with the channel of their choice. So the contact center is central point of customer communication. It can improve your business productivity when responding to numerous customer requests. They also provide, let's say, your organization the ability to scale staff and respond to customer inquiries, right? And automatically request to the most appropriate resources and real-time updates, which allows agents to respond quickly and efficiently. So the visibility or the insight about the contact center, right? It really brings together the customer interaction across all communication channels into one place. And the data gathered from these interactions provides valuable insight so you can make informed decisions. And this information can help with product design, quality issues. You can identify patterns and problem areas across your customers, right, coming in. So the contact center use case, let me give you a short example here. The virtual contact center, for example, is one use case, right? Employees can work from any location, such as smaller contact centers, branch offices, retail stores, and from home as well. Since there's no need for additional equipment or office space, a virtual contact center can reduce capital expenses and scale easily. With flexibility to allow various locations of your own choice, the virtual contact center can also help reduce employee turnover rates, a common problem and a huge problem with staffing. So Amazon Connect is a pay-as-you-go service. There are no requirement upfront payment, long-term commitments, or minimum monthly fees. You really pay by the minute as you use it, right? Plus any associated telephony charges that may incur. Amazon Connect voice it determines by the minutes your customers are connected to that particular service. For telephony, for example, Amazon Connect offers both direct inward dial and toll-free phone numbers. So the toll-free phone numbers are charged on a per-day basis. And there's a per minute charge for any calls based on the type of phone number for inbound calls and the destination of outbound calls. So for example, for chat usage, you pay about 4 cents, right? For each chat message sent by your customer agents or through the contact flows, right? So as part of the AWS free tier account, you can get started with Amazon Connect free for 12 months. After you deploy your initial Amazon Connect contact center, you receive about 90 minutes, right, of usage free, a direct inward dial, so you can explore the actual power of this particular platform. And you can also get 30 minutes, I believe, per month, and 30 minutes per month for outbound calls made to the AWS related regional countries, right? And also your first 500 messages during the first year Amazon Connect chat are also included within the free tier account. So I hope this helps. This is a powerful platform. You can actually deploy and use Amazon Connect to really create a full customer experiences, right? From voice, from chat, from messaging, and so on. If you have any questions, post in the discussion area. We'll be happy to answer. With this, let's move to the next lesson.